How to use the sticker library in Yoshion app. Ready to add some flair to your photos? Let's dive into the Yoshion's app sticker library. First things first, open up the Yoshion app. I'm already inside. Now, here on the home screen, you will see several options. From the options, simply choose the one where you want to add the sticker. Either you want to add the sticker to your collage, to the poster, or you want to add your sticker to the freestyle, or you can just add a sticker to a photo. Let's tap on this edit right over here. The process is similar to the every option that you will choose. I'm going to add on one of the photo. Let's choose this one and go inside it. Once you're inside it, you'll be taken to this type of interface. And here you can see sticker as the second option. Let's tap on it. And here you'll be seeing several stickers. And by the way, by saying the sticker library, you can find the sticker library as you will see on other apps like on the package. Here, the sticker library means stickers under certain category. The first one is of emojis. The second one is of a strawberry. You can see strawberry type of stickers right over here. And third one is a random pineapple, and so it falls under the certain stickers, and there's a flower, love, and many more categories. So this is basically the sticker library of Yoshion app. Certainly a little bit different from others, but basically the result will be same. So that's how you can use the sticker library in Yoshion app. Simply explore the type of a sticker that you want to add to your photo and do it. Let's add some, or maybe this dog on the flower, maybe this flower. Let's add this tree. You can adjust it as you like. Maybe let's keep it right over here. Let's add the flower here and dog right over here. Perfect. And once it's done, simply tap on this save, which is right over here, and your photo with the sticker is ready. To sum up, this video explained you how you can use the sticker library in Yoshion app, or how you can save the product to result. That's it for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.